Do you have multiple sales reps in your company, and do you have them split into teams like VIP customers and regular customers, or reps dedicated to one country and another? If so, you can make your work a lot easier. You can assign new leads directly to that team and then distribute them to the reps. Or you can track stats for individual teams and set goals for them. Let's take a look at how to do that. Let's look at reporting first. Reporting, where we can set goals directly for a specific team. Let's say we want to see how many deals a given sales team is closing. We select the team, choose the team we created, select all pipelines, and say we want to see from the beginning of the year how many deals that team should close each month. Let's say 10. We can see how Team B has met its KPIs from the beginning of the year until now. And of course, we'll see how that progresses. This is the first feature you'll definitely appreciate. The second one, which is much more interesting, is deal routing. Imagine you get inquiries from a specific region and you want to distribute these leads to each sales rep. How do you do that? Go to Automatic Assignment and create a rule. When a new deal is added, we'll add a condition that the deal name exists, so the field isn't empty, and we'll assign it to a team, in our case, Team B. But we can create many more rules. We can set it up so that if an inquiry comes from the East Coast, it goes to Team A. If it's from the West Coast, it goes to Team B. Same thing if it's from Europe, it goes to Team C. Or we can add a deal value condition. If the deal value is over 50,000 euros, we assign it to the team dedicated to VIP customers. If it's 50,000 or less, we assign it to the regular sales team. Name the rule, turn it on, and we can see it's running. We can add multiple rules and they work in a cascade. That means it checks the first rule first. If it applies, it stops there. If it doesn't apply, it moves on to rule number 2, 3, 4, and so on. So let's create a deal. And you see it's been assigned to Adela. Let's create another deal. And that one is then assigned to Dominic. When I create a third deal, it gets assigned to the next user in the team. In this case, Adela again, because we only have 2 users in Team B. The next deal created would go to Dominic again. Where do you set up teams? Just go to User Settings and select Team Filters. Here you create individual teams. So we can create a team for VIP customers. We select who handles VIP customers, who the team manager is, save, and we have our team created. We can then work with this team in reports or for assignments. This feature is great if you really need to manage teams, have different teams, and want to see their stats or assign deals. However, the deal assignment feature is only available from the premium plan and up. If you don't have the premium plan or higher, you can use the add-on we developed for assignment. You can find it by searching for the word Davame, selecting apps, and then you'll see the app called Round Robin. You can then install this add-on in Pipedrive and use deal routing even on lower plans. This add-on costs $50 a month for the whole company. It's not charged per user. If you need any help with Pipedrive, routing, or reports, don't hesitate to contact us at www.davame.com. We are Pipedrive experts. That's all from me.